Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an unboxing for the things that we got from Amazon, and I just wanted to show you guys what we got since I didn't really just want to unbox them. So I decided to do an unboxing video, and if you hear noises in the background, that is Charlie eating. But anyways, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, let's just get right into it. So the first box that I'm gonna start off with is this big one. And I do have a box cutter right here. This one, I'm gonna start off with this one. I'm gonna start off with all the big boxes first, and then I'm going to lead to the small packages. So let's see what's in here. Oh, and I will link every item in the description box below. So if you guys are interested, you can buy them for yourself. All right. Ooh. So we have a J for my room. Let's open this up. Just for fun. See if, I need batteries or something. Ooh, goodness. This is what it looks like without the wrapping on it. It's really cute. I like it. So it is on, so it needs batteries. What kind? Oh. Okay. I'll power this on at the end of it, but yeah, this is what the J looks like. Right. Next, we have this train. So basically this train is for the tree we are putting on the table over there. So it's gonna be really, really cute. But yeah, so we have a train. Okay. That's cute. Then next we have a Spigen case. My brother's phone. This is for the new iPhone. It's the 12 Pro Max. But yeah, so this is his case. It's just a simple clear case. So that's that. Goodness. So next, we have another case, which is for my phone. Same size. This is, ooh, this is really pretty. Yeah, this is really pretty. Yeah. That's cute. Yeah, but it's just another clear case, but with sparkles. I wanted to get something new instead of like a clear case, because clear cases to me now, it's just simple. Since I've always had them for my phones, it's just really simple. So I wanted to get something different this year, so that's what I did. So that's that case. I'm trying to move fast, but obviously I'm moving so slow because I am a slow person. Okay. So that's another thing that we got. And then we have another one. I guess we have two of these. I don't know how, but we have two. It's the same first one that I showed you guys. So that is what was in that box. Okay, so next we have this big box, this other big box. This is huge. Okay, so what I need to do is I need to put this on the floor so I can show you the rest of the stuff. So this is the table that goes in my room. I will be making videos on this table in the next videos that I create. But this is what it looks like, and it's just white. It's just a white simple table. I can't wait to use that. I know it's weird to say, but I mean, hey. So that was in that box. Then this is the last big box that we have, and then we'll get into the small packages. Okay. Ooh, gracious. Okay. Cut this open. Okay. Cut this side open. I love popping these, but I'm not gonna pop these right now because I know some of you are probably wearing headphones and I don't want to ruin your ears. But anyways, okay, so we have some bold chalk markers. So it's an 8-pack. Let's see the colors in here. I just want to look at the colors, see what colors they have. Ooh. I'm not gonna take them out one by one, but these are colors. Very vibrant. Very, very vibrant. Okay. Next we have this. I'm not pretty sure what this is, but I think these are designable chalkboards, which is very cute. Next, we have an acrylic mirror with all decoration decal. Let's see what this looks like. I'm just gonna open everything with a box cutter because if I try to open it with my nails, we'll be here all day, and I don't want that. So, because you guys probably have stuff to do today. And yeah, okay. So what this looks like. Ooh. Oh, this is, I'm just gonna bring it out halfway because, yeah. Okay, so, these are pretty. Let's just stick that back in there. Okay. All right. Next, we have solar-powered LED wall lights. Oh my goodness. Are these my lights? I've always wanted lights in my room, like always. Okay, let's see. What are these? I think these are like stickers. So I'm just gonna keep these because I don't know what they are. But if you guys want like a setup type of video where I set up my room and like fix my room up, then comment down below because I can do that for you guys. I can. Okay. I don't think these are it though. No, I don't think these are it. Yeah, I don't think these are it. I think these are from my mom. But this is what they look like. Just so that you guys know.
at the same time, I'm worried. Okay, so we're just gonna keep this about now because I obviously don't know what to do. Okay, so now let's move on. I'll put that one back in there when I'm done with this video.
Alright, so next we have, what is this? Doesn't say what this is, but I'm gonna open it. See how easy that is? So easy. Also, this is like calendars. That's nice. I think it's like chalk calendars, like with like you use like chalk on them. I'm not pretty sure, to be honest. But anyways, then we have a Blackboard sticker. Oh, that's cute. It's really cute. Then finally in this box, we have a motion sensor light, which I guess is like for outside. So that is, oh, I almost forgot something. Then we have these cute sparkly letters. Super cute. So now that is all that's in that box. All right, so now we are finished with the big boxes. So now let's move on to the packages. So the first package is this one. I'll open this.
Preparation to open what? Girl, I don't know what you're talking about. Okay, obviously, the box cutter's not opening because it's in the box. I wish it was a box / bag opener, so that I open it with this, but obviously not. So, but this is gonna try. Free. I obviously don't know how to open this. Okay, it's open. You just have to cut it several times, but it's open. Okay, very hard. Get into it. Alright.
So, what's this? Are these the lights? The yo-yo LED net lights. Oh, I like the cover of this. This is a very, very pretty cover. Anyways. Are these the lights? I think these are. I'm not pretty sure. Okay. So that's that. Next, we have this package, which I believe is my Popsocket, which I cannot wait to see. I think I ordered like the marble one. I'm not pretty sure which one I ordered. I think I forgot. Possibly I forgot. But let me see. I'm still recording. Okay. Oh my goodness, I wish this will open. Oh my freak.
Okay, we're gonna skip that one for now because obviously that one isn't cardboard. Then finally we have this one, which was going to be the last one, but obviously the last package that I was trying to open was not cardboard, so this is the second one.
Okay, so we have I don't know what this is. It's just a black roller. I don't know what that is. Then we have another motion sensor light. Then we have a cake for my sister. So that's that. And then the last pack.
Again, which we have problems with. Okay, alright.
So this is my pop socket. I missed pop sockets so much, you guys. I used to have one, but I don't know what happened to it. But yeah, so I have a pop socket. Okay, so that is everything that was in those boxes. I have to figure out a way to put this back in the packaging because it is not working for me, but I will figure out a way to. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, and comment, and I will definitely see you guys soon. Bye. I forgot to show you guys how the J would look with batteries in it, like when it's lit up. All right, it's just gonna be like a quick little clip. Oh, that's pretty. I know you can't see it. Let me try. Yeah, that's pretty. Okay. But yeah, so that is what the J would look like if it was lit up. But yeah, so this is truly the end of this video. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah, so bye again.